Okay, so we have a Whirlpool washer that it doesn't agitate or spin. I already checked the agitator on right here, and this one is good because you can see it's getting pressure right here. So this part is good. Sometimes with it doesn't agitate, this one moves all the way to forward and backwards. But this one you can see it stops. Okay, so this part is good. Um, so the problem will be the coupler motor. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and change the coupler motor. So you can some of these models you can put like a little bar and open it, but not here because it's not just in the back. Okay, so I will show you how to fix it, that a washer that it won't agitate or spin. Okay, and like I said, this is good. The agitator is good, so you don't have to worry about this one. Okay, it's gonna be the motor coupler. Is that what it calls? Okay, let's go and start. Okay, now just remove the two screws in the back. There's two of them. Sometimes it has just a clip, depends on your washer. Just a Phillips screw. And then once you pull it out all the way out,
Ok, aquí están los patitas, sáquenlas con cuidado, saquen los tornillos de aquí, estos
okay,
tornillos,
just this is the screwdriver I'm talking about.
Aquí.
That goes right here.
Okay.
And just gonna be aware of the little plastic legs that has.
Este va aquí. Okay.
And then that's the door switch. And this is the brackets. So we have to remove the brackets as well.
Despegamos el switch de
okay, this is the door switch that we
nos
need to
estorbar.
remove in a minute. These wires.
Vamos a sacar este
But let me go grab a flathead screwdriver and pop up these brackets. Just like that.
Así.
There you go.
Okay.
And
Así.
there you go. There you go. Okay, just like that. Very simple. And after this, just remember to remove the wire and let it hang like that, and pull out the case of the washer. Okay, just like that. Okay, that's it. And I'm gonna show you what was the problem was the damaged part. Okay, just look for the brackets and don't lose them. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the wire pump, which is this one on the first one on the white color. That's the water pump. Okay. Okay, just remove the clips right here that is holding the water pump. Very easy, very simple with a flathead screwdriver. Just like that. Well, not like this, but you know. There you go. And then pull it out. Just pull it out like this. And just put it on the side. You don't have to do anything with the water pump, okay? And remove the clips. Now you have to remove the wire connector as well. Just be careful. Okay. And that's it, okay? Okay, now the next step it will be the the motor itself. So we're gonna just remove these 2 bolts first, these 2 screws. Right here was this one, and this is the second one. Also, it has the motor, it has 2 clips, 2 brackets, so you just pry it out with a flathead screwdriver. Give me just a second. But I got there you go, just like that. There you go, and pull it out the same way. And as you can see right here, the motor coupler is broken. That's the reason why the washer is not spinning or agitate. See, there should be 3 legs, so it's missing 1, and we're gonna see where's the other one right now. Okay, that's the motor coupler. It should be have another one like against the transmission. Okay, so this is the motor, and I will show you what is the other piece, or what is the how this works. Let me see if I can get the camera a little closer. There you go, and as you can see, here is the other little piece, the little leg from the coupler, motor coupler. There you go. So it's broken, so that is the reason why your washer is not washing actually. So pull out these parts right here, the rubber one right here, pull it out. I ordered my parts on eBay. I will trust eBay than anything else. Easy, convenience. So that's where I ordered all my parts. And pull this one out as well. This one is good. You can save it for an extra part, or you can just throw it away. There you go. There you go, just like that. Okay. Yeah, this piece was good, but since I ordered mine, it comes into in a package. It comes with the 2 motor coupler and the new rubber part as well. Look. Okay, let me show you the part number right here. It's for a Whirlpool, and it always says this one can fit on a KitchenAid, Kenmore, and Roper brand clothes washers. Okay, so that's the part number 285753A. So there's gonna be 3 pieces the same way. The plastic one right here, cool, and these 2. Okay, one for the motor and one for the transmission. All right. What you gotta do is put it back on, just like that. Just this little guy that you can. Let me show you. It has the way to get in. Okay. To put it in. Okay, just like that. And then you use anything. I'm gonna use just the screwdriver, the back of the screwdriver, to I can just hit it with my hammer and put it in. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm kind of sleepy. Just like this, rub it in. There you go. A few hits, and you know, just let him do until it flash with the. There you go. It flashes, okay. There you go. A little more. More, por favor. There you go. Just wash your hand. Okay. Just make sure it's flush, okay? It's like flat with the part right here. Just like that. See how good R. Okay, so that one is good. There you go. Now we're gonna install the rubber part. The rubber part. Let me just do now a couple more heats. There you go. Okay. Okay. So there's gonna be 3 empty spots for the other one, okay? For the other coupler. I will show you the other coupler. This is a new one and it's gonna go in there, okay? But we had to put it on the engine, the motor first. Yeah. Just take the broken one off. There you go. Put the new one in. Just turn it until you get the little pad in there. That's it. Do the same way as the other one. Prop it in all the way until it flash. There you go. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Easy peasy. See? Okay. So now we put it in there. There you go. Perfecto. Just like that, okay? So we will continue to pull the pieces back on. Make sure you put the and everything's alignment. Make sure everything is alignment, okay? Everything is nice and tight. So the brackets. Now let's do the water pump. Just turn the shaft a little bit so you can. There you go. And a little more. There you go. Okay. After this, I'm gonna install the brackets, the clips, and then just prop it in by hand. Let's do the one on the bottom. And we're good to go. Like this. There you go. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna put all the pieces back together. Alright. And just put everything back on. And then I will show you when the washer is gonna be hooked up again. And see if it's gonna work again, okay? Alright. Hook up the wires. And then put the clips, the brackets. Put everything back together, okay? Put the 2 screws in the back and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works now, okay? There you go. Just like this. See? You can hear the if you have this problem, you can watch it at Agitate or switch it. Just change the color.
Bien quietecita que está.